Welcome to Room Reviews, where we check in so you know where to check out. This is our review of the Homewood Suites near Universal Studios, Orlando, Florida. We booked the 1 king bed, 1 bedroom suite. The rooms were clean, updated, and spacious. Now, our room only had a shower, but I think other rooms available also have bathtubs if that's something that you need. This vanity area was great for getting ready in the morning, and look how cute this towel animal is. They also provide some face wash, washcloths, and some lotion on the counter of the vanity. The shower was great, no complaints, and they also have these products available in the shower if you need. The bed was pretty comfortable for being a hotel, which usually I never sleep well in a hotel, so that was nice. And I also love these plugs next to the bed. They had 2 plugins, a USB and a USB-C for all your charging needs. There was also a lot of storage around the room. These were pretty deep drawers. There was also some nice drawers in the dresser and also this cabinet. I really enjoyed this light. I thought it added a nice ambiance to the room. One of my favorite features of the Homewood Suites is that they offer a kitchen or kitchenette in your room, which is just great for saving money while you're on vacation. They also have pretty much everything you need to cook, so all you have to do is go stop at the grocery store, get some stuff, and you'll be set. There was 2 trash cans under the sink, and they also provided some dishwashing soap, a sponge, and a pod for the dishwasher. This room also features a dishwasher, which is great because who wants to do dishes when you're on vacation? I know I don't. And you also don't have just a little mini fridge like most hotels. You actually have a full-size fridge and freezer, which is awesome. Now it's the next day, and let's go check out the breakfast. Of course, my favorite item is always the waffles or the waffle bar, and these are Mickey waffles. Overall, we highly enjoyed our stay, and we will definitely be back to this location. It was a quick 5-minute drive to the parks. They had an amazing breakfast buffet included and offered free parking, which is sometimes hard to find in the Orlando area. That's it for this room. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell us where to stay next.